Hello, 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 my soldier them, the police them, cafe always, I respect una. I give una the cafe because I deserve them, because they love too much. Valentine Council, na so people they send me message, na so say na so they see the paper my banja, na so the paper my kidney. I say yes, these people they really love me. I see poor na they love. I see tell na they happy Valentine's in arrears, my people. Before today one start, I go live for see remind when I say I beg if you are first time for come into this channel, my people, just subscribe, like, then you share the channel because you will need for meet our target. We don't put up for ourselves this month, my people. Them I beg make we try for subscribe, we share the channel, press like, put your comment for day. Where do you think? I beg without insult. I welcome every comment without insult, my people. Them before one start today, we don't talk serious in a Fally Ipupa one judge for the court. We'll give a judge now here today because he can get concert for Cameroon. We'll see what it happen. We'll see that's so it that's so ambiance, that's so thing, then that's so Bodwala come on, that's so Yaoundé come on, that's so plays the shake, that's so plays the shake. But my people, you know, as this was home day, this was high court day, we always like to go dig into the matter and see that small ginger mistake them. We bring them for year, we can say how we correct them because we there for correction. If we correct one time, we correct it 2 times, we correct it 3 times, you don't tell us we put you in prison, lock you, nonsense. So my people, before one start, I would like I say move go, we go look the physio, we go look the ambience, we go look the Fally Ipupa, he picture them. Oh my God, the boy not die. My boy not die. On a say a fine for the place where they talk as a fine. You no fine, they talk as a no fine. You small mistake they fine, the small mistake they will bring out the mistake, we'll see how we will feel. Judge them. We see how we feel correct so that next time may not do that kind of thing again, my people. Oh yeah, make we go see what they happen. My people, we don't see the video, they don't see the picture, they don't see the boy as if fresh, le tomato, le boyata, the boyatan tomato, nim na munya tomato, boyatan tomato, as if fresh, as if come out fine. We don't see him. Sly no sweet, it's still fine or it's fine. If boy day, it day. We don't get for Georgia. We there for you for talk to it day. Fally come out well. The boy he get class. He get that's if he take shot so you know what he did that, my people. But if you notice after a picture that you see and say in the way that feel, you know that are dancing, so that are Nazayo they call her on our way that are Makosa then. So now how they call that dance. You know that dance they so it's either you wear a tight fitting trouser, so that mean they dance come off and me make their food they fine. Or you wear laba, you wear TV free, so that means make a fine. Even though you wear your own free thing, and of course say you today, so you want looking where you see and say that kind shape, that man picking shape, you know today for skin because it's small, it's slim. You know today for skin, but it tastes, it define. I don't lie on that no. I tell on what it a color. It should say if you do something. See when you take a very mock to the answer. You know, see, all things to your color to the one shine, or the one answer we are speaking now. Now, wait till the enter Abene. So that boy is so see where they take he get timetable for chop, he get timetable for nutrient, protein, all thing, he get time. If you serve his skill, you know, so that boy he take care of himself very well. My people, but you know me say you need to make one or two mistake them. You know me say I say he can't Cameroon if he at home. He just think say any man is Zaire, but wait, any man you do anyhow way he do. You understand? So now why that way we get for bring it for the court, we judge you, we correct mistake because say some picture they don't pass to the video the way he did for day. Where I think me like the commissioner for this fashion police house, for the fashion police high court. So thing they do I see what I think say you no correct. Yes, you no correct. May we go see this picture where Fally if that way they enter Douala, he get here for up. Wait to see a boxers, one Kevin Klein on a Louis Vuitton. It be the show. So all that they don't do that. See, they say they advertise na Dross. If they advertise na HLFs, we look that one and say we know Siam. If at that time that has no be done the has no be done the exist. You understand? We look that one and say we know Siam. So Fally can now if poster we understand now normal mistake where any other person fit do. But when you do mistake, my people, now you go bring her for outside. No, you get for being a mistake for outside. Fally one Jake here for us, salute people, they snappy, yes, there's no picture there. There's no pictures. This we look the picture, we not look the picture now. See our boy clean. See how we the shirt we wear an expensive one. The challenge is a good one. All in the chat. But my people, you don't pass that stage for to do that in them. So we'll take like a normal mistake, say Iwajo Jake here for salute people, then it draws a show. My people. Now why don't we bring up here? As he just show, he be get for pose a picture. Because we know say he get manager the way that they direct it. He get people the way that they even post for this level social media. As he just show, if at all he will really post that picture because he come off for the picture because he like that picture. If he will really post that picture, why he no cut that part? Move on. Why you no cut that under this scene? Because I don't see nothing for that day. Except say they don't pay say advertise that logo for that Dross. And hell we understand that one. They are trying to read on the right up under the post. Not the like advertisement for pants, for chalets. So as see as it be na a problem. Why it be na a problem? Because say he post now he take a hand, he post the picture. So I see like a problem. Because you know one snap picture, you make mistakenly a Dross shoe, you carry them, you post that for social media. Then time we get them answer, I see how we better thing post some video for the way get them one some get one can dance with you get one kiss them, it bend more one side, I don't know whether you get more be the cement on a ha. It bend more one side, it bend more one side, it bend face one side. Maybe now because of that get on see your legs, they get a click to it, a click. So he gonna say, okay, now the best time this way, I will see whether I will get to Fally. Then he want gonna see when we don't pass on stage, you don't pass on stage. Fally, where you want snap picture, even picture fine check them, edit them, check the picture, look how it did. It go for everybody, even for me for here. Yes, I get picture, the one post them, I see some mistake in there, I just leave, I just draw myself, say, no, I cut them. I pose the sideways, it come off fine. Because if you see that picture, if I just show that up hand way, the salute people, the popo, yes, it come off fine, it face position, alter position, if he be cut that part for a jaws, it move on. My people come out for day, for part for jaws. And no simple people don't misunderstand, say, oh, na normal thing, oh, na normal man picking this thing, na normal man picking, no, it no mean say, the one they call it, say, underway. Now, underway. So it gets for stay for under. If at all, they don't tell say advertise a pants. It want advertise and that one will be different case. We will turn a different thing for you. Say you want advertise the logo or the Dross. But it show clearly say na mistake. But he not even notice the mistake. Now why do they bring her for you? When people they post this thing, no that say they don't know say wait. They don't see them. Either they see them, they say no they did. But we actually think they did. Or they say and they notice a mistake, but they say I care less. So why care less? We go still bring her for you. We still bring her for you. Deal with you. Just you fine. So I want to talk with you for Fally. Say that Dross that picture wey you post am, next time make sure say you cut the part for that polo wey show, na blue, no na even white safe. You cut am, you move am. That one, that case closed. We'll go now for a video. One of the video, the stage, this in a way, enter way in a way. We don't see the video where they play. It were in a way, it were this thing, socks and slippers. My people then. I try to look for that slippers. I don't care whether I'm Louis Vuitton or na which kind of slippers, but some outfit then they will get for the take into consideration. That performance, so sometimes minister be did. Sometimes governor be did. Sometimes president says be fit come for that performance. Then you boss for their front. Now we say, see, more than stuff for the minimize people. Una stop for the minimize na odds and Una stop for the minimize na odds and how many you can't stage? You can't stage with socks. It doesn't say they just tap for best. Fali at time no show can't perform. You come out with this scene. I understand the musicians and they their own way. They take for do their own thing. They try to make extra. Try to make some kind of thing. But the fact say they want to make that extra. They want to make that kind of thing. No say no be accepting that all that thing be acceptable to the audience, to the viewers. Them. No all that thing be acceptable. I don't think maybe I don't analyze or maybe I don't talk the thing, you understand? But if you think otherwise, just put your comment for the without insult. Put your comment for down there. Maybe we'll see how we feel judge a matter, then we'll come for conclusion. Because for me, I think say that is dross and that way it appear for that stage will surpass and socks. For me, no correct. If you want to with socks, moon nothing as socks. If you want to with this, moon nothing as. But the way it can with the separs and the song, you did say it minimize the audience. With me, I not support them. People they don't pay money for car for them. You just disrespect them. So you don't feel wear shoe. You don't feel wear shoe. And I need to talk for them in our SF. So my people then. I want to thank you very much for your time. I want to thank you very much for people that they share. I want to thank those that don't subscribe. And the beg say, make we meet up for this court here. For Thursday, I will be live 7 p.m. Thursday. Make we meet up. We try to conclude our pending case the whole weekend. We conclude that we say we talk to about that ask like appearance. Because for here with the pepper and everything. We talk now everything. We can conclude that case. We clean the file. Pack at one corner because they say the file over the team table. We go clean the case. We pack at one corner. Then we see how we move ahead. So I want to thank you very much. I want to tell you say, we want to continue to share. We continue to share the love together. We continue to share everything together. Then I want mostly thank the YouTubers them. I will shout on them but on Thursday because the support is really too much. So I want to thank everybody for this thing. See you tomorrow or on Thursday. Thank you. Bye.